Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking to you about how to get rid of stiff Asian hair. You know, all the hair sticking out like a porcupine. Stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. First off, I just want to say that there's actually no way to get rid of Asian hair. You know, the hair you're born with, it's in your DNA. Just like how your blood type is type A, type B, type O. You know, you can't really change that. I'm born with black hair, so even if I want to grow like blonde hair, red hair, or brunette hair, I can't really do that unless I dye my hair. In the same way, if you want your stiff Asian hair to go away, then you have to make some changes. So let's just go over a few of the options that you have. Looking at my hair right now, you may not think that I have stiff Asian hair, but taking a look at all my previous photos of my hair growing out from a buzz cut, you can see that I do indeed have porcupine hair. And the reason why my hair doesn't stick out right now is because it's long enough. The thing about Asian hair is that when it grows out long enough, the gravity will do all the work for you and help push it down. So as you can see on my left side, everywhere around my hair, all my hair is just laying flat against my head. Yes, so this is me. That's me. You know, nothing's sticking out at all. You can see, you know, I want to stick it out, but it just falls back down. So the very first method you can do to defeat and get rid of stiff Asian hair is simply growing out your hair as long as possible. Now I know not everyone would prefer a medium to longer hairstyle. You know, some people just like a clean cut. So what can you do in that case? So the second recommendation is to shave the sides of your hair while leaving the top hair long. And in that way, you can kind of get the two-block haircut, which is basically short sides, short lower back, and your top hair is long enough to cover the sides. And I won't go into too much detail on this hairstyle because I've done many videos on this. So if you're interested in watching more two-block haircut videos, you know, I'll leave a playlist down below to check it out. Well, so it's getting too hot in the kitchen. I came to the garage just to cool down a little bit. So as you're growing your side hair, you know, it'll stick out eventually. And what you can do is by wearing a headband, or you can wear a cap. And what this does is that it's kind of like pushing your hair down in the downwards direction. So over time, you know, it kind of trains your hair to grow downwards. Although this is not really effective, it does help, especially if you just showered and then, you know, your hair is kind of damp. You wear a headband around your forehead and everything just kind of pushes down. So yeah, this is also a good method to do right before you sleep. After you shower, your hair is kind of wet, you sleep on one side, so everything kind of gets pressed down. Anyway, I'm going to be trimming the lawn. I'll be using this lawn trimmer. So the final method you can do to tame your stiff Asian hair is by using a down perm. And a down perm solution you can use is called the DPerm. I'll quickly show you how it looks like. So this is what it looks like for the DPerm. Here you go. And this is basically just a solution that you put on a brush and you apply it to the side of your hair. So you push it downwards in a downward motion. I've already made a video detailing how to do this, so if you're interested, you can click the video down below called How to Make Your Side Hair Stick Down. And sideburns as well. So this method will last about 3 weeks, and after that you have to reapply this serum. Guys, I'm just walking from room to outside to indoors. It's just really hot today in Canada for some reason, and I'm like dying from the heat. You can look at my face that I'm sweating all over. It's just really hot today. To recap this entire video, there's really no magic in growing your side hair and preventing it from sticking out. If your side hair grows to 1 inch, it will stick out. If your side hair grows to 2 inch, it will still stick out. The only way to prevent it from sticking out is to grow it long enough so it falls down. And I've been saying the same thing over and over in a lot of my videos. So that's the only way to get rid of your side hair that sticks out, is to grow it out. If you don't want to grow it out, then you shave the side hair every 2 weeks or so you don't actually give it a chance to grow out and stick out like a porcupine. Or you can also use the down perm serum like I mentioned called the DPerm. You know, when you apply that to your side hair, it helps it stick down for a few weeks. But after that, you know, obviously when your hair starts growing out again, it will stick out again. And that's the thing about Asian hair. But the thing is, if you apply the down perm serum, by the time your hair wants to stick out and by the time the serum wears off, your hair will grow long enough, so you know, it will naturally stick down anyway. So yeah, that's another thing you can think about. And lastly, the final tip is just to wear a cap. You know, as you grow out your hair, just wear a cap to cover everything, and soon your hair will be long enough so it doesn't stick out anymore. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy all these tips. You know, a few years back when I was searching on the internet about topics like this, there wasn't really a lot of videos. So I really hope that my videos are helping you guys, and you know, just spread the love. Thanks so much for watching this video. Till next time, this is Javian Fong signing off.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy, I don't got no time. I ain't stressing, I ain't stressing.
Yeah, hey, girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it. Plus me and your affection, we were craving it. There's a bunch of things I wanted to let you know, but it's best to leave the memories and let it go. Sometimes I still think of you. It's not that I miss you, but I do wanna kiss you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not asking for you back. In fact, I'm doing quite good. How about you? The good and the bad and all the shit we've been through. And this is for the best, you probably also know it too. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy, I don't got no time. I ain't stressing, I ain't stressing.
Yo, so I heard you got a new guy now. Is he cool? Is he handsome? Is he alright now? Does he love you like the way I do? Does he make you laugh and make you smile the way I do? Remember all those nights that we were staying up? You would lose me halfway through the night when I was acting tough. So here I hope with all my heart that he can be up by your side when you are needing love. Me, I found someone new. I'm quite happy now and you should be too. We're still young, we're barely 22. Just leave the past be and keep pushing through. Stay behind the line that we both drew. Whatever you choose, I'll be happy for you. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy, I don't got no time. I ain't stressing, I ain't stressing. I put my past behind, put my pride aside.